The Garmin Forerunner 55 has a very similar look to the Forerunner 45, with a 42mm case featuring 5 buttons around the circumference. It also has the same color memory and pixel display with a 208 by 208 pixel resolution. You can choose different face designs through the watch's settings menu, and download extra ones from the Garmin Connect IQ store. Unlike the Forerunner 45, the Forerunner 55 is only available with a 42mm case. It's a good compromise, large enough to show a reasonable level of detail, but not big enough to overpower smaller wrists. It's supplied with a single silicone strap, with perforations along the entire length to fit the widest possible range of wrist sizes. It's charged using Garmin's standard USB-A charging cable, which plugs securely into the watch's back. To start tracking a workout, press the button at the top right and scroll down to select a workout type. You can choose which options appear here, and in what order, by scrolling down and selecting the green plus icon. So if your favorite activity is spinning or swimming, you can ensure this appears first. One new feature that'll be particularly helpful for anyone new to working out is the training suggestions that appear on the watch before you begin monitoring an activity.